Happy morning, students. Today we started a new grammar topic, which is kinds of sentences. And we discussed about the 4 kinds of sentences, and we have also solved various questions based on the topic. And here we go, guys. So initially we discussed about what is a word, and for which we got an answer called words are the group of letters. And what is a sentence? A group of words which gives a complete meaning. And there are 4 kinds of sentences. The kinds of sentences is categorized into 4. Number 1 type is assertive or declarative type. This assertive or declarative sentence will be a kind of statement. It will give information about a person, or it will say any universal or science facts. It can be positive or is negative. Okay, so some examples, it always ends with full stop. Some examples are Pranav is in grade 5. It says some information about Pranav. So it is a assertive sentence. The sun rises in the east. It says an information about the sun and it is also an universal fact. Jalkari is the friend of Rani. It is saying the information about Jalkari. I like ice cream. It is saying an information about me. So it is an assertive sentence and this is a positive, affirmative sentence. We say it is affirmative. I do not like ice cream. It is a negative sentence. It is also a assertive sentence and it is a negative sentence because it is containing no. I do not. Right? This is all about assertive or declarative sentences. Second type is interrogative sentences, which you people already know. All these are questioning sentences. It always ends with question mark. For example, what's your name? How are you? Is this your pen? When is your birthday? All these sentences end with question mark and they are called as interrogative sentences. The third type is imperative sentences and they contains request or order or command. So it also ends with full stop, but it is saying some order or some commands or some request. For example, please give me a pen. In this, we are requesting a person to give him a pen. This is an imperative sentence. Close the window. Move in line. Place the shoes outside. Stop. Sit. Stand. So all these words, like when you order someone or command someone, we call it as imperative sentence. And the fourth type is exclamatory sentence. It is used to express the strong feeling, strong emotion. It always ends with exclamatory mark. Oh, I missed the bus. Oh, what a beautiful flower it is. Ah, what a taste. Alas, we lost the match. So all these are some expressions of good expressions or sad expressions which we want to utter with some words, and they always ends or have it always have an exclamatory mark in it. It need not always end with an exclamatory mark. I could say the sentence will always have one exclamatory mark in this. So with this, we have also discussed about the activities regarding the kinds of sentences and also the workbook activity in which page number 38 in the workbook I also asked you to complete. With this, we will also follow with other activities in other session.